Hi everyone, welcome back to Mrs. Dre Food Channel. I hope everyone is doing amazing. In today's recipe, I am going to show you how to make the best ever tasting Ghana rock cakes or rock buns. As usual, you know I am always for the simple and easiest recipe, and I'm pretty sure you are going to love this one. So stay tuned and I'll see you next time. Let's get started. So for this recipe, I'm going to need 500 grams of self-raising flour. Self-raising means there's already baking powder, so I do not need to add any more. Half a teaspoon of nutmeg powder. Then I am going to mix. Next, I am going to add 125 grams of margarine. You can also use butter. Now, with my clean hands, I am going to mix in the butter in the flour as if I am going to make Ghana meat pie. Okay, so it is basically the same process. So make sure you end up with something that looks like breadcrumbs. Okay, nice and soft. All right, don't be afraid, just use your hands. It will take you somewhere between 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so do not rush and do it perfectly. By the way, I already have a rock bun recipe on my channel that I did several years ago. So this is an update one, a much easier one, much straightforward one, and I hope you're also going to like this one. In the other one, there is also a recipe for coconut rock buns, so feel free to go and look that one. Okay, so this is it. Now I am going to add in my sugar. So for this recipe, I am adding 130 grams of sugar. You could add 100 grams, but I like it a bit more sweeter, so I added 130 grams. You could even increase the sugar if you want it even sweeter. But for this quantity of rock buns, and I got about 11, I think 130 grams is perfect. Okay, next we are going to add milk and egg. So here I have got 175 grams of fresh milk. Okay, you can also use evaporated milk if you like. So now I am going to add in eggs, and I need 2 eggs. Okay, so if you wanted to make more rock buns, please double or triple the quantity. Now add in half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. You can also add pineapple extract if you prefer, and mix the egg with the milk. Okay, so again, this is whole fresh milk that I am using. Use evaporated milk if that's what you have, or if that's what you prefer. You could also use water if you wanted it, but I wouldn't advise it. So now let's pour it over the flour mixture. Okay, just like that. And now I am going to switch from hand to a wooden spoon. You could absolutely continue with your hands if you want it, but it is much neater like this, and I don't have to wash my hands. So the thing here is you have to make sure you do not over mix it, because we want to make rock buns. Okay, the key word is rock. Yeah, it has to be nice and crunchy on top and nice and soft in the middle, right? So make sure you mix it in very well, but do not over mix it. So just as I am doing. Right. So we are done with our butter. Okay. And now I am going to grease my cupcake or muffin tin. Okay, by the way, if you do not have this, you can just use parchment paper or baking paper. Okay, it's the same thing, but if you want to have that little cute muffin shape, then use this one, and you can get it easily from any supermarket. Okay, and now we are going to fill it up with our rock buns butter. You can fill it up to the top, right to the middle, make jumbo ones, really however you want it. So I decided to make a few big ones, and then I did just normal ones towards the middle. Okay, and yeah, so I was able to make 11 rock buns or rock cakes. Basically I could have easily made 12, yeah, because I've got space here for 12, but I just did 11, yeah, because I have a few big ones here. Okay, so I'm going to fill it up, yeah, and I'll let you enjoy the music, and then we will come back in a few minutes, okay, for the rest of the recipe. Hey guys, I am back. So I'm going to add some egg wash on top of my rock buns. You don't have to do it, but if you want to have that nice golden color on top of it, I would advise to do this. It makes it look very nice, very cute. Okay, and if you do not want to use an egg for that, there is another solution. Just use milk, yeah, raw milk, evaporated milk, yeah, so either egg or milk, or you just leave it simple, you don't use anything. All right, but I always like to do this. As I said, I think it is more beautiful. Okay, so let's carry on doing this. And guys, don't forget to preheat your oven. It is very important, because some people forget to preheat the oven and think you can just turn it on and put your stuff inside. No, it has to be preheated. So preheat it at 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, 180 degrees Celsius. I will give the equivalent in American in the description box, okay, because in Europe we use Celsius. Okay guys, so make sure you preheat it well in advance. So right, I am done with the egg wash. Look at this, it looks amazing, wonderful. And now we are going to bake our rock cakes for 30 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius. It will also depend on the oven type you have, and I'm using a fan oven. So guys, these are my rock buns. Look, they look amazing. Just to make sure they are properly baked, I just use a skewer inside to make sure it comes out clean. And look at this amazing rock cake, and it smells wonderful in the kitchen. Look at this, guys. And as I said, I got 11, which I could squeeze 12 in it, but I didn't. So now, as usual, we are going to check on the insides. Okay, so are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Let's look on the inside. Okay, look at this. Perfect. This is a perfect Ghanaian rock bun or rock cake. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time for another Mrs. Jury recipe. Don't forget to share my videos, comment and like. Bye, take care.